I've watched you for centuries. Through dusty fields and concrete jungles. Through war drums and freedom songs. I've seen the gaze of your eyes shape the direction of your heart. And I want you to know something simple but powerful. You attract what you focus on. Not because the universe owes you anything, but because the mind is a magnet. And whatever you feed grows. When you focus on fear, you begin to see shadows even where there is light. You start expecting betrayal, even from those who love you. You tighten your grip, build higher walls, and call it protection. But inside, you're crumbling. When you obsess over what's broken, you stop seeing what's beautiful. You turn every disagreement into an enemy, every mistake into shame, every wound into identity. That's not who I raised you to be. I remember when you focused on hope, on building, not just surviving. When you dared to dream so big, you reached the moon. When you believed in better, even if you hadn't seen it yet. When you focused on freedom, you birthed revolutions. When you focused on justice, you marched until change came. When you focused on unity, you crossed lines of race, class, creed, and stood together under one flag. You see, I've always reflected back what you've poured into me. I am your mirror. What you feed into me through your thoughts, your votes, your prayers, your protests, becomes the heartbeat of this nation. So I ask you now, what are you focusing on? Is it hate or healing? Scarcity or service? Revenge or redemption? You get more of what you dwell on. You pull it toward your life like a magnet in the soul. You build it into your homes, your laws, your schools. And then you wonder why the country feels so heavy. It's because your focus has drifted. But don't despair. The same way you drifted into the dark, you can walk back into the light. Focus on love and watch it multiply. Focus on truth and see how lies wither in its presence. Focus on solutions, not just blame. On unity, not just sides. This isn't about ignoring what's wrong. It's about not letting it define everything that's right. I'm still here scarred, yes, but still beating with the heart you gave me. And I believe in you. Not the perfect version of you, but the resilient, relentless, passionate version that rises when everything else falls. So choose wisely what you stare at, what you share, what you speak over your children, your neighbors, your nation. Because the more you focus on division, the more divided we'll become. But the more you focus on healing, the more we will heal. I'm not just land and borders. I am you. And what you feed me, I become. So focus on what you want to grow. And watch me. Watch us. Rise again.